Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the slider steps from Trigger available for the 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JKs equipped with the Rubicon rock sliders. Now, if you're looking to add the convenience of a step to your Jeep without losing the protection that your factory Rubicon rock rails offered, well, the slider step from Trigger is the perfect solution for you because it simply clamps on to the backside of the factory Rubicon rock rail without requiring any modification or drilling to your Jeep at all. Now, the steps are sold in pairs, so if you're looking to simply add steps to the front doors of your JKU Unlimited 4-door Wrangler, or if you have a 2-door Wrangler, you can buy one pair. If you're looking to add steps to the rear door as well, simply purchase 2 pairs. Each pair includes all of the clamps necessary to install the steps in either the front or rear location on either the driver or passenger side. Installation is easy. You're only going to need one 13mm socket and a socket wrench to get them installed. They simply clamp in place like I mentioned, and the front steps will utilize one of the factory mounting bolts on the Rubicon rock rails. Now, the great thing about these steps is that because they install so easily, if you know you're going to be headed out for an extreme day on the trails, well, you can remove them just as easily by simply removing a few quick bolts, stowing them away to give you more ground clearance when you're off-road, and then after your day on the trails, pop them back into place to make getting in and out of your Jeep a whole lot easier. The steps measure 15 inches long by 2.5 inches deep to give you a nice wide platform to step on, and they even feature this great dimple tread pattern to give you a very sure footing when you're stepping on them, climbing in and out of your Jeep. They also feature a great slightly textured black powder coat finish that's going to match the factory finish found on those Rubicon rock rails perfectly. If you guys want to get any more information or purchase a set of the Trigger slider steps for your 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK equipped with the Rubicon rock rails, you can click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about these steps or how to get them installed on your Jeep, you can always leave those in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And you'll definitely want to hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. See you guys out on the trail.